Okay, how do you name a compound like this? Let's start. I'll break it down. One, first of all, you identify the longest chain as the root hydrocarbon. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a pent. And so, because this pent has only hydrogen and halogens attached to it, it must be a haloalkane. So it's going to be a pentane. After that, we have to identify the substituents group present or functional group where present. Here we have one here. This is a side chain or branch chain, and this is a methyl. Here we have, this is a bromo, and this is a chloro. After that, we have to number this root hydrocarbon from the side that give the functional group or the substituent group the smallest possible number. Now on this chain, we have this as substituents, we have this as substituents, we have this. So we said I'm going to number from. Now number from the side that give chlorine the smallest possible number. Why? Because this is a haloalkane and chlorine and bromine are both halogens. But chlorine is more electronegative than what? Bromine. So it's going to affect the chemical properties of this compound more than bromine. And therefore, number from the side that give chlorine what? The smallest possible number. So we're going to number from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after numbering, we know that chlorine is on carbon 2, so it's going to be 2 chloro. Bromine is on carbon 4, so this is 4 bromo. And methyl is on carbon 3, so it's 3 methyl. Now we have to merge all these names together. Now in merging this, we first of all start naming the substituent. And in naming the substituent, we name them alphabetically, meaning bromo will come before chloro, chloro will come before methyl. So let's start naming it. So we're going to say 4 bromo, 2 chloro, 3 methyl. We have finished naming the 3 substituents. Now we have to add the root hydrocarbon like its own name. And now it is going to be what? Pentane. So the name of this compound is 4 bromo, 2 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. If you find this interesting, if you've learned something new, give us a like, share, comment, and do not forget to follow us. I'm leaving a link in the comment section where I have discussed IUPAC Nomenclature of organic compound. You can click it to learn more. See you in the next class.